Okay, I'm going to do a teach of Rolling with Love. This is for the Wednesday night class. You're ready for a challenge. We haven't done anything lately that was really challenging since Just a Phase. So it's a 40 count line dance, advanced line dance, choreographed by Heather Barton and Simon Ward. There's some of others that don't come on Wednesday night. I'm sure you can do it. If you give it a try, you'll get it. So I'm going to do a lot of repetition. So I think just to avoid you having to rewind and rewind to learn the dance. After I'm just doing the teach, then I'll have a video with just the walkthrough and then the dance, so you won't have to go through all of this again. Okay, so right foot, you're going to go step forward, sweep, rock, step, step. Okay, so it's step, sweep, rock, step, step. Behind, side, turn a quarter right. So let's do that again. Step, cross, step, behind, side, turn a quarter right. So let's do the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now 5. 6, 7, 8 is 2 half turns to the right. Step, half turn, step, half turn. Okay? So I'm going to do it with the counts here because this is not how it's done. Okay? You're going to have to do it on an end count. So let's do it from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. All right, I'm going to slow that down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a rock step, and a quarter turn to 9 o'clock, and then a side turn to 6 o'clock. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Very good. You got that? So let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So you're here for 1. 1, 2 and 3 is behind, 2 and. Okay? 1, 2 and 3, 4. So it's 1 is here, behind, side, rock, step. Okay, so 1 is here, behind, side, rock, step. So let's do that from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, is your left foot is going to be pointing at the 3 o'clock wall. That's 5, 6 is a half. You're going to take your right foot and hitch. It's going to be 5 hitch, turn half, and another half. So it's going to be 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So I'm doing the counts here. I think you'll see it better if I do the counts than just showing you a step and then it won't mean anything after. Okay? So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So just follow my feet when you're learning it. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 2 and 2, 3. It's going to be 2, 3. And 4 and 5, 6. 6. So let's do that again. You're going to step on your left foot, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. So you're stepping on your left, you're turning on your right, you're stepping to the side, behind, side, rock, step. Are you seeing that? Oh, okay, so step on your left foot, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. So this is the part here. Let's redo that. So it's 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Let's work this. That's a little tricky here. 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Now you're going to walk here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then you're going to go 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We're almost done. Hang in there. Okay, let's do this part here. Again, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We're just about there. Let's do it again, this part here. 2, 3. 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Now here's the end. You're going to walk left, right, step, quarter cross. Now you're going to do a half turn and a half turn. So you were going to, we started at, okay, the trick to this, we're doing wall 1. Because we're doing wall 1, we're finishing at the second wall. So you'll know exactly, and then when you're at that wall, you're going to finish at the front wall. So you're going to do a step, quarter hitch, step, half hitch, step to the side, behind, and you start your dance again. Okay, so that's all there is to it. So now let's do it from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you start the dance. Now let's do it to the back wall. Okay? Okay, take a deep breath. All right, left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. So you're finished to the front. So that's the whole dance. So now you're going to see it in the walkthrough. When you start the dance, we may as well do it here. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Here's your restart. Then you restart your dance. 1, 2, and 3. So once that's done, you're going to keep dancing. When you start your dance to the front wall, you're going to keep doing your dance. And when you get here, you're going to be doing you're finishing your dance like you should be. No restart. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And here is your tag. And then you just keep dancing, and that's it. So I hope you like it. I know you're going to like it. It's really nice. It's just like all the dances we do that we really like. Well, this is going to feel the same way. So it's worth the work. Okay.